Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to transfer your Chainlink tokens from Bitrue to Robinhood in 2025, you're in the right place. Chainlink is a popular cryptocurrency, and moving it between exchanges can help you manage your portfolio more effectively. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Robinhood. If you haven't already, verify your identities on both platforms. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Once that's done, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the wallet section. You'll need to find your Robinhood wallet address for Chainlink. It's usually under the Crypto tab. Just copy that address carefully, as it's unique to your account. Now, switch over to Bitrue. Log in and go to your Chainlink holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's typically in the wallet dashboard. Select Chainlink as the asset you want to withdraw. Paste the Robinhood wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Double-check everything: the address, the amount you're transferring, and any network fees involved. Remember, Chainlink usually uses the Ethereum network, so ensure you're selecting the correct one to avoid lost funds. Before you confirm, take a moment to review the transaction details. Enter any required 2FA codes for extra security. Once you're ready, hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025, so grab a coffee and keep an eye on your email or app notifications. After the transfer, head back to Robinhood and check your wallet to confirm the Chainlink has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic, it might need a bit more time. Always keep transaction IDs handy in case you need to track it. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink from Bitrue to Robinhood in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support teams. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.